adventure seekers, Rootless Wanderer here, and today is my birthday. Hello fellow adventure seekers, Rootless Wanderer here, and today I'm doing something a little special. I am going to be working at farms for the next couple of days. Pretty exciting. What am I going to be doing there, you ask? Well, I'm going to be de-leafing marijuana plants. A whole lot of it. I am currently on Vancouver Island, and yeah, not bad. Not a bad gig, if you ask me. Okay, so I've always wanted to do some kind of a harvest job. Apples, peaches, sugar beet, whatever. This is like the best job ever. I am really looking forward to seeing my friend and his partner, and yeah, I'm excited to see the farm and check it out. I mean, good morning, fellow adventure seekers. Rootless Wanderer here, and today is another day of work. I just woke up. What can I say? I'm a hard-working gal. Yeah, my hair needs to be brushed. Okay, so anyway, I am on my way to farms to do some work. I've been working there off and on the last couple of weeks. Great work, great people to work with, interesting work. I'm a gardener, I have a green thumb, and I love growing things. This is my first time I've ever worked with marijuana plants. I mean, it's a job, right? It's a paying job, a good paying job. So I'm gonna see, I keep saying I'm gonna find out if I can take video, but you know, like, how do you ask your boss? Then again, my boss is my childhood friend from my hometown, but still. Hi guys, Rootless Wanderer here. I am still here. I'm still living in my van. I am going on a 9-day stretch of a harvesting job. 9-hour days. Pretty tired, but I just want you guys to know I am still here. Today is actually my birthday. And I am going to work. I'm gonna go work a long, hard day. I am 48 years old today. Yes. And I am having a hot flash. Welcome to the crone phase. Alright guys, it's time to get to work. I'm going to show you a little bit of the scenery. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to show you the farm for security reasons, but you have to check out these beautiful fall colors. I'm from Southern Ontario originally. Like, that's where I was born and raised. And the colors are on par with, like, Vermont. Okay? So, living in Saskatchewan for years, I have not seen any kind of real color except for yellow when the leaves turn. And here we have maple leaves, giant maple leaves, like back home. I gotta show you. Like, look. I'm just getting out. Let's do it. Oh, shush. Like, look at the size of these maple leaves. Look at this. Isn't that awesome? I think I might keep this one. It's beautiful. Oh my God, my hair is so frizzy. I need a shower. Anyway, let's get to work. Rootless Wanderer here, and today I'm headed back to Elk Bay, and I'm bringing along a friend. That's right, a fellow van lifer, and we're headed out to camp right now. It this time. It was too steep last time. All right. Whew, better gear down. Okay, I'm in first gear. It's steep. I can see behind me. Oh, he's gonna have to go super slow. His van is even bigger than mine, you guys. How steep it is. But look at that view. Oh. Woo-wee! Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. I wish I had a Jeep. I miss my Jeep. Today is going to be a rainy day, so I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. But I got some tarps set up, so I can do it in the rain.